Oh, oh my days. Yo guys, it's your boy M340i. Today is a special day. The BMW M340i is going stage 2. You heard that, but so Mo, chat to me here. What's this?
This is your downpipe.
This is my downpipe.
Yeah.
So what's this gonna do for me?
So as you can see,
Yeah.
hollow.
Hollow.
What that means?
What that means is what?
Air.
Air can go in. So what is that? So that's the downpipe.
So once that's on,
What's that on?
then we can take out your ECU.
Take out the
briefly,
ECU briefly.
Unlock it.
Unlock
because your
it.
car needs an unlock.
Yep.
Once we do that, we can put a tune on it.
Put the tune on it.
Be anything from about 480 to 500 horsepower.
480 to 500 horsepower.
Hot.
Hot, man. It's a hot day. I literally just drove here and it's hot, like 25 degrees minimum. You've got to let everything cool down. But yeah, man, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We're going to stage 2, man. And we've got DRLs, which we're going to be doing a DRLs as well. So should be a fun one, guys. I'm sorry, I know I don't make enough content for you guys, but it's okay, man. At the end of the day, guys, you buy cars to enjoy cars. I never want to be one of those people that buy something and you don't want to make content because you don't like it. No, I've not been making content because I've just been loving life and enjoying the car. But yeah, we're here. So we've got the car up here. Are we taking off the whole thing or just this bit?
There's that section in there.
That section right in there.
Yeah.
We have left the garage right now because why?
It's by a clamp.
We need to buy a clamp for the downpipe because the one that I've currently got on my BMW is too rusty.
Yeah, it's done.
It's too rusty, it's broken, it's about to snap. We need to go to BMW right now. We're a couple of minutes away. We're gonna just walk in, try and grab a replacement. Alright, cool. So we're inside right now, the BMW service, and we just come inside the parts section. We've just asked him, he's gonna go check. By the way, we need that because without it, we can't go stage 2 today. Because once we remove that clamp from the old one, we won't be able to put it back on. So we need it right now. Otherwise, operation stage 2 for that BMW M340i. They've got it in stock. So he brought up 2 options. He brought up the diagram and said, is it this one or this one? My boy said, yes, this one. So he's gonna bring it out now. We're gonna take it back to the car and that's it. We're rolling it. This little piece here, which means that now it's time for the tune and it's time for the downpipe. I cannot wait, guys. Let's go. Let's get back to the garage and get straight in there, man. So
yeah, that's fine, go ahead.
So what's this right now?
So that's your ECU.
That's my ECU from my car.
From your car.
Nice.
And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be benching it. So we're going to be putting all the cables into there.
Yep.
And then I've got auto tuner, which is a tool that allows me to unlock your ECU.
Okay.
So you can flash it. Once you flash it, then you can do your stage 1, you can do your stage 2s, you can do your if you want to do like burps, pops and bangs.
All of these things you can customize it now.
You can customize.
Okay.
Customize, yeah.
And right now we have to do this because BMW naturally they leave it locked.
Yes.
But
that makes sense.
They do that so we don't do what we do.
They're doing that because they don't want us to have fun. All right. So what's been done now?
So we haven't flashed or tuned the car just yet.
Okay.
But we've just fitted the downpipe.
The downpipe's on.
The downpipe's on. So we've done the physical hardware.
Yep.
We haven't done a tune just yet, but I want to hear your reaction to it first because I know there'll be a difference off the rip.
That's a big difference.
Calm back a little bit, that's fast. Put it in sport. That was in comfort.
That was on comfort as well.
Yeah.
I'll do wait till after.
You wait till
I'll wait
after.
till after. Hey!
Thoughts?
Very loud. Very loud. And we're not even in somewhere secluded. It only ever really sounds loud when I'm in. When I start up, but this was a lot louder, and I started off in comfort. I can't wait to drive it. So now we've done, like you said, the physical hardware stuff. So what is this called?
This is an MHD adapter.
I'm gonna plug that into my car and get to work. Let's go. As you guys can see now, we're pretty much sorting the map out. Is it done or we're doing it? Doing it right now. We'll be back with an update. Let's go. The tune is finished, done. Oh, yo, that is mental. That is bonkers. Are we allowed to give it a couple revs? Or not yet?
You can.
No, I want to. How do you do professionally? You got to wait a couple minutes.
To do, your car's already warm. So it's not an issue.
Okay.
We let the cold start go off.
The cold start. How do you know when the cold starts off?
You'll hear it.
Yeah, that's what I do. It just silences.
Yeah.
We're officially stage 2 now.
First things first.
First things first. What does that do?
Puts the gearbox in sport as well.
Puts the gearbox in sport.
And when you're ready,
oh my oh my word. Am I still gonna get some decent fuel economy though?
do you want the honest truth?
Am I past that point now?
Do you want the honest truth?
Honest truth.
If you drive it more efficiently, because you have additional torque, you'll get better fuel efficiently. But because you're tuned and car's louder, mentally you're probably not gonna have that because you're always gonna be a sport.
Days, it's unreal. It's unreal. Flipping hell, man. Oh my word. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it, like. Insane. But yeah, stop causing havoc. Let's get back inside. Guys, stage 2, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Feels way faster off the jump, sounds a lot better. He's added something called rolling launch control, which means you can launch it whilst driving. Rolling. Oh! Yo, oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh my days. It's like a roller coaster. Brother! How do I do that?
Okay, so you hold this button down.
Yeah.
So like this.
Yeah.
And then you put your foot to the ground.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay, got it. Got it. Oh, okay, got it. That one there is absolutely bonkers. Yeah, let's call it there.
So yeah, you hold this button
Yeah.
down and put your foot down.
Yeah.
And then when you let go of this,
that's when you're good to go. Mental. I'm officially back home. Hopefully this is now the start of me showing you guys more stuff with the car, obviously when I can. But the BMW M340i is now officially stage 2. Don't mind me, I'm just literally in my streaming room, just here chilling. But yeah man, the BMW M340i is now officially stage 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I got the car a year ago and it's been an amazing year. Car's given me no trouble. Honestly guys, man, if you're in the market for a BMW M340i, I've got nothing bad to say. Fuel efficient, gave me no issues. Obviously, make sure you got one that's been well looked after with service history and service it when you can, obviously, and whatnot. It's been an amazing car, and now to have that extra power is genuinely unbelievable. Got some other things I want to do to it, I think, cosmetically. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and hopefully the next time I post on this channel is not too far away. Peace.